Camera load.
Okay, here we go.
Whoa! Don't rock the boat, baby. Rock the boat.
Rock the boat. Rock the boat, baby.
Oh, Junior, here he comes. Your favorite part, the small drop. Ah, don't be such a peep.
A little bit wet and he's melting.
It's 30 degrees for crying sake.
Yeah, exactly. I was just joking. Something like, get some little bit water.
Hey!
Ah!
Oh! Oh!
And this was just a small drop.
Okay. That was the camera totally wet.
No. And we still have the
big one.
drop. So if this one was like this.
Oh, okay. Yeah, yours so. Yeah, me too.
Then I don't want to know
The big one.
what the big one does.
Yeah, but they have some small surprises here as well.
Yeah.
Ah, this is a minor.
I like surprises.
Yeah.
But yeah, not every surprise. Oh no.
Wow.
We need to get some Dharma for Dragon.
Uh-oh.
Oh no, no.
I got you all on cam.
We will find you.
We will find you. We will find you. Keep it family friendly.
I have to say the
first drop is wetter.
First drop is better.
It's a nasty one.
Yeah. What? First drop did nothing to me. The second drop did. Hello? Look at me. Look at me.
Emmy.
Speak for yourself.
I'm glad to hear you weren't. Oh, okay, never mind. It's refreshing, it's refreshing.
Yeah, it's a nice put him down.
Kick in the back. Also refreshing. Well, next ride.